Man, look at that filthy mower. Of all the million mowers I've got, I do have this rotary mower, which I use like once a year when it's like gonna be for my first cut on new grass. I'm gonna sharpen this mower today, so I got this tilted up. Yeah, I'm kind of a redneck, so I just kind of got a stick here holding this blade in here. I don't have any fancy tools. I think this is, what size do we got here? 9/16. All right, I'm gonna get this thing nice and sharp. All right, got my blade here dialed in here. I'm gonna just use this little grinding tip with my drill. It's a good sharp blade right there, good sharp edge. Alright, that's a good sharp edge right there. Here's the before. This is the dull end. I'll show you an after once it's all done here. And here you can see after. That one little spot right there, I need to get a little bit better. Alright, I'm going to put this back on. Really tempted to mow, put the first mow on tonight in the dark. I'm never home during daylight, so my front yard's ready for its first mow. Is 9 o'clock too late to mow? I don't know. Alright guys, I'm going to do it. I'm going to be that guy. Yeah, that guy who's out here mowing in the dark. I need to get the first mow on this thing, and I'm literally not home before dark every single day. And I'm really busy the next 2 nights, so I just want to get the first mow on this. I'm only going to do the front. I'm going to do it really quick. I'll take some video and show you in the morning what it looks like, and then I'll worry about the back maybe this weekend or something, because I just want to get this front yard strip kind of out the first mow. Just a little from the dustpan here that I just cut off. I like it. All right, here we are Thursday morning. Put that first mow on it last night. Sorry for the lack of a lot of daylight. Well, it's a beautiful morning. I just saw the sky over there. But here you go. You can see my little wheelie turn things here. The grass is a little bit wet. But yeah, this is actually kind of thick and looking kind of nice. I'm really happy about where this front yard right here is at. The backyard is way behind the front yard. I don't know what is the factor on that. I don't know if it's because I've got a more aggressive Tifway 419 Bermuda that kind of still survived better than this Bermuda I have here in the front. I don't know what it is. I don't know if the earthworm castings have anything to do with it. I did actually last night after I mowed. I didn't get any video of it, but I applied the fungicide that had been recommended to me. So I applied some fungicide last night, and that should hopefully help with those earthworms. I was told those are gonna help smoke those things off. But yeah, this front yard right here looks really good. Really happy with this for roughly 2.5 weeks, a little bit, give or take a little bit. Hopping down here to the sidewalk strip, very similar. Looks good. There's still, you know, Bermuda in here for sure. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. It's still not the same as perennial rye, but yeah. Anyway, let's see if we can get a closer look at that sky over there. Beautiful sunrise this morning.